Welcome back to the channel. This is episode 1 of drag racing done dirt cheap. Today we're going to talk about Kirkey seats. You guys know how expensive these things can be. Very nice, very lightweight, very pricey. Deals can be found on Facebook Marketplace. This seat in particular I purchased for $60. Originally was from a dirt track car. The side bolsters were present. Simply just trimmed them, replaced the molding that was already existing there, and we'll finish it up by welding on both sides to complete the seat. It's a very cost-effective way to get a nice Kirkey seat. You can't beat these for strength, lightweight, and overall safety. Way better than those plastic racing buckets you see or standard car buckets. I have listed 2 examples that I'll put up on the video screen of seats that are currently on Facebook Marketplace. One's for $20 and one's for $80. And I think the one has a seat cover as well. Seat covers, don't really need to worry too much about them. What I've done is simply used yoga mat, cut to fit inside the contour of the seat. Prefer to use about a 1/2 inch mat. These can be bought on Amazon very easily, very cheaply, and give you enough padding to keep you pretty comfortable in the car while you're in it. Once again, I'd like to thank you for viewing the channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, help the channel grow. And putting more videos out soon. Different things, restoration, racing stuff, good stuff. All right, thank you.